Hello everyone, my name is David Hensley. I am your instructor for this semester. This video will be a brief overview of the assignments within folder number 7. The first step is to watch the intro video, which you currently are. Next, you will read chapters 1 and 2 in the programming section of your textbook. Step 3 would be connect to the Khan Academy link below, which I'll review with you here in a moment. Complete at least 5 assignments posted in the Khan Academy classroom for the week folder 7 assignments, and complete the quizzes for programming chapters 1 and 2. So let's go ahead and scroll down. We will be utilizing Khan Academy for the assignments for the programming portion of the course. There will be 40 assignments you can choose from. You only have to complete 10, which out of those 10, you only have to complete 5 within the folder 7 assignments and then 5 within the folder 8 assignments. So keep in mind, you don't have to complete all 10 within this 2-week period. You have 5 and then 5. Once you complete them, you're going to want to go ahead and upload a document within the Khan AC1 assignment link to inform me which assignments you have completed within the Khan Academy so I can review them and ensure that they are submitted as required. So let's actually go ahead and dive into Khan Academy, and I'll give you an overview. And of course, you can always reach out to me if you have any questions about how we're conducting this portion of the course. So simply just go ahead and click on the Khan Academy classroom link. Here it's going to ask you to create a new account. Obviously, if you already have one, you can go ahead and use your existing. I'm going to go ahead and select create a new account. And you can give your date of birth, which obviously if you're like me on the web, I always make it up. I don't give out my actual date of birth when I'm filling out any information for any website. So I'm just going to select anything here. And then next I'm going to go ahead and choose sign up with email. You could choose Google if you want to. From here you want to go ahead and enter your email address. Enter your first name, your last name, create a password, and then click sign up. Okay, next we're simply going to click onboard. So from here, this is probably the only confusing part of the Khan Academy. It's already going to ask you to choose what type of institution you are from, and then choose some classes. So obviously we're going to select community college here. And it's going to tell you, say, choose 4 to 5 classes. Well, these are extra ones that you may be interested in. This would not be a course that you're going to actually complete assignments or you're going to be required to complete assignments from. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and say, well, maybe you're into computer science, and then click continue with one course. Keep in mind, this is not our actual course or our assignments. This is just an additional one that you may want to consider. Has nothing to do about our class. Okay, so at the main screen, let's go ahead and click on Coaches. Then you will have to enter in the join a class. So you simply just copy and paste the code from Blackboard into where it says join a class. And then click the Join the Class button. And it tells you you have successfully joined the class. Then we'll go ahead and click on the Home button. You could tell if you have been added to the class is within the home screen, you see assignments, and then you see where it says View 40 assignments due later. Keep in mind, you don't have to do all 40 assignments. So go ahead and click on that link, and it's going to show you the assignments. The reason why I give you 40 is because some of you may have prior experience, some of you may have no experience with programming. So the ones who are new to it, I would obviously say start with the first few assignments, the challenge ones. And if you already have experience, try some of the more difficult ones. That's the whole goal of the class, is to learn anyway, not just to get easy points. One thing I want to point out about the assignments, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Start because you can see I complete the first one. So on the second one, I'm going to go ahead and click Start where it says Challenge Waving Snowman. Now, as soon as you click on it, it goes straight into the challenge portion of it, where it's asking you to perform some coding. Well, most of you will say, well, I would have no clue how to begin. Well, if you look on the far left-hand side, you can actually go through the steps of where it'll actually walk you through making drawings with code, some quick tips, and then you can go to the challenge, which is the simple snowman challenge. Now, within this area, you're also going to see the next one that says drawing more shapes with code, and then challenge waving snowman. Well, keep in mind that's two different challenges. One is the simple snowman, the other one is the waving snowman. So if you complete the simple snowman, you get points for it. Then once you complete that, if you complete the challenge, the waving snowman, you receive points. Okay. So obviously, I have already completed the simple snowman one. So what I would want to do is go to where it says drawing more shapes and watch the video, and then go to the challenge where it says waving snowman. So I would just definitely want to point that out so you're not lost to where it opens up a page and it's asking you for code and you would have no clue what code to put in. If you take your time, if you watch the videos, it should seem very straightforward, but very beneficial to you. As always, if you get stuck, you can always reach out to me though. I will always get back to you within 24 hours. You can call or you can send an email. Email is probably better because then if you get stuck, I can send you a screenshot of whatever area that you're having an issue with and maybe some example code. But you can always feel free to call me. Well, that's the end of the intro. If you have any questions, reach out to me. If not, I hope everyone has a great week. Take care.